Hi there, I'm Hayley from the learning team at 99 Designs by Vista. In this video, I'll show you the best practices for writing a successful design brief. From the 99 Designs homepage, use the search bar and type in the design you need. For logo designs, you'll be asked to tell us a little more about your business and design preferences. You'll then be guided to complete the rest of your design brief. On 99 Designs, your brief tells our creators exactly what you're looking for. And the better and more detailed the brief, the greater designs you'll receive from our community. To start, provide a summary of your brand and business. This could include how your business started, where you're located, the industry and scale of your company, and a description of your products. When a creator understands your business, it's a lot easier for them to deliver on your design needs. Next, you want to define your target audience. Are your clients 18 to 35-year-olds, new parents, vegan consumers, or all of the above? Our designers want to know. This information will help them determine how your brand will be perceived, as well as help them nominate specific styles that will work for your target audience. Now it's time to tell us about the style you want. Design styles are essentially how it looks and feels, including color palettes, fonts, and layout choices. Whether you want something artistic and bold or sophisticated and minimal, this is your chance to let our designers know. Not quite sure how to explain what you want? You can show us. We recommend providing 3 to 6 reference images of designs that you like. You can upload these directly to your brief, or you can create a Pinterest board and share the link. Providing a written explanation for each image, including what you like and don't like, will help guide designers in the right direction. Lastly, in the other section of your brief, creating a do's and don'ts list can help clarify your ideas. You can outline essential elements to consider as well as concepts to avoid, such as do focus on thick fonts and don't include silhouettes of houses. Our designers love clear criteria. It helps them to know where to direct their focus. And that's it. Your brief is looking great and your project is set up for success. Once it's live, you might think of more information you'd like to add. If so, we encourage you to update your brief and notify your designers so they have everything they need to put their best design forward. So just to recap, provide a summary of your brand, define your target audience, choose your design style, upload reference images, and write a do's and don'ts list. We'll see you next time from the 99 Designs by Vista team.